bound methods and classes. Just like with regular functions, the value of the keyword this within methods depends on how they are called. Sometimes it is useful to override this behavior so that the keyword this within classes always refers to the class instance. To achieve this, bind the class methods and the constructors. And so here we have this example. We're using classes. We have the class name car, and inside of the curly braces we have a constructor. Inside of the curly braces of the constructor we pass in the keyword this, we chain it to the word say by, and we assign it to the keyword this that say by that bind method, and we pass in the keyword this. Bind the word say by but not say hi to show differences. So we close the curly braces of the constructor, and now we declare a function name say hi. Inside of the curly braces of the function say hi, we're gonna cancel log a message, and to do that we're gonna use backticks. We're gonna type in hello from, and now we're gonna use the $sign. Inside of the curly braces we're gonna pass in the keyword this that name. We close the curly braces, we close the backticks, and we close the parentheses. We end up with a semicolon. Then we close the curly braces of the function say hi. Now we're gonna declare a function say by, and again we're gonna cancel that log a message, and this message is gonna be by from $sign, and inside of the curly braces we're gonna pass in the keyword this that name. Outside of that we're gonna get the get, and the function is gonna be name. Inside of the curly braces we are gonna return a string named Ferrari, and we close the curly braces of the get function name, and we close the curly braces of the class car. That is that. And now we declare another class, the class bird. Inside of the curly braces we're gonna use the get name, the name function, and this time we're gonna return a string named Tweety. We close the curly braces of the function name and the curly braces of the class bird. So we have two classes, class bird and class car. So now we're gonna declare a constant named car, and we're gonna assign it to a new car. And again we're gonna declare a constant named bird, and we're gonna assign it to new bird. So now here we have the value of the keyword this in methods depends on their color. So we're gonna grab the constant car, and we're gonna chain it to the function say hi, to this function here, to this function. So we're gonna get the hello from this that name, and the name that we are gonna get. So we're gonna pass in car that say hi, and we're gonna get hello from Ferrari, because the name we're grabbing it from here, from the get name, and we are returning this string Ferrari. So when we type in car that say hi, the result that we are gonna get is gonna be hello from Ferrari. So now we're gonna chain the bird that say hi, and we are gonna assign it to car that say hi. So pretty much say hi, but we are assigning the bird to car. So we end up here with a semicolon, and now we're gonna chain bird to the function say hi, and the result that we are gonna get is gonna be, what is the class bird, the result that we're gonna get is gonna be hello from Tweety, because the name here is returning a string Tweety. So we're using we're using bird that say hi, so it's gonna be hello from, and then the name that is gonna be Tweety, and we're gonna get hello from Tweety, and we're gonna see this in the Chrome developer tools, but I want to explain you first. So finally we're gonna have the 4 bound methods. The keyword this doesn't depend on the color. So we have the bird that say by, and we're gonna assign it to car that say by, and then we end up with a semicolon, and now we're gonna use bird that the function say by, and the result that we are gonna get is gonna be buy, but this time it's gonna be for the string Ferrari. So we can grab this example, we can go to any tab, we can go like right here in this tab, clean it up, we paste it, and press enter. Okay, press enter, and there you have it. We have hello from Ferrari. When we're calling car that say hi, we get hello from Ferrari, so we get this one. Now we're gonna get bird that say hi, we're gonna get hello from Tweety, we got this one here. And finally we have bird that say bye, so we're gonna get bye from Ferrari, the final one. So that is that for that example. Okay, so note, classes are always in strict mode. Calling methods with an undefined keyword this will throw an error if the method tries to access properties on the keyword this. Note, however, that auto-bound methods suffer from the same problem as using arrow functions for class properties. Each instance of the class will have its own copy of the method, which increases memory usage. Only use it where absolutely necessary. Again, only use it where absolutely necessary. You can also mimic the implementation of Intel number format prototype format. Define the property as a getter that returns a bound function when accessed and saves it, so that the function is only created once and only created when necessary. So finally we're gonna see the keyword this and with statements. Although with statements are deprecated and not available in strict mode, they still serve as an exception to the normal keyword this binding rules. If the function is called within a keyword with statement and that function is a property of the scope object, the keyword this value is set to the scope object as if the obj1 object1 prefix exists. And first of all, we can check out a little bit about the with statement. The with statement extends the scope chain for a statement, but be careful, we have is deprecated. This feature is no longer recommended, though some browsers might still support it. It may have already been removed from the relevant web standards, may be in the process of being dropped, or may only be kept for compatibility purposes. Avoid using it and update existing code if possible. See the compatibility table at the bottom of this page to guide your decision. Beware that this feature may cease to work at any time, so just be mindful of that. But we're gonna check this little example, and this is gonna be the final part for the keyword this. So we have the constant declaration name obj1, short for object1, and we're gonna assign it to an object, and this object is gonna have a function named foo, and inside of the curly braces we are going to return the keyword this. So we close the curly braces of the function foo and the curly braces of the object1, and now we're gonna use the with statement. So we're using the with statement, but be careful using this since it's deprecated. So in the parentheses we're gonna pass in the object1, and in the curly braces we're gonna cancel that log, and we want to see if the function foo is equal to the object1, and it's gonna get us the boolean true. Why? Because the function foo is inside of the object1. So we can grab this example and we can go to Chrome Developer Tools, we paste it, and the result is gonna be the boolean true.